Are you ready to unlock the secret to better health? Look no further as we present to you the Supercharge Your Health, Unveiling YouTube Stars' Favorite Herb Secrets. In this captivating video, we delve into the world of herbs and unveil the favorite picks of renowned YouTube stars who swear by their incredible health benefits. Join us on an exciting journey as we explore the power of herbs to boost your overall well-being. From soothing chamomile to revitalizing ginseng, we bring you the ultimate guide to incorporating these herbs into your daily routine. Discover the herb-infused recipes and natural remedies that have skyrocketed the energy and vitality of your favorite social media influencers. But it doesn't end there. We take a deep dive into the science behind these herbs, sharing fascinating facts and studies that back their rejuvenating properties. With our expert interviews and expertly curated information, you'll gain invaluable insights into the holistic benefits of these time-tested remedies. Learn how to harness the natural goodness of herbs to enhance your immune system, promote better sleep, and rejuvenate your body from the inside out. Uncover the secrets that YouTube stars have used to enhance their own health journeys and achieve optimal wellness. Lions of followers. She swears by turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice isn't just for curry. It's packed with curcumin, an antioxidant that fights inflammation and can improve brain function. Second, we have James, a professional bodybuilder. He can't live without ginger. This fiery root is known for its digestive benefits, but did you know it can also reduce muscle pain and soreness? Next up, we have Alice, the vegan cook. Alice starts her day with green tea, which is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that have impressive effects on the body. This includes improved brain function, fat loss, and a lower risk of cancer. Fourth on our list is Becky, the beauty vlogger. She's a fan of ginseng, an herb that's been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine. It's believed to boost energy, lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and promote relaxation. Moving on, let's talk about David, the globe-trotting adventurer. He relies on maca, a Peruvian plant that's believed to increase energy and stamina, enhance mood, and balance hormones. Then, there's Sophie, the lifestyle influencer. She loves incorporating cinnamon into her meals. Cinnamon isn't just a sweet spice, it's packed with antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, and can even lower blood sugar levels. Meet Lily, the wellness coach. She adores peppermint. Peppermint isn't just for freshening breath, it can soothe headaches, relieve irritable bowel syndrome, and aid in digestion. Next, we have Ben, the fitness model. Ben swears by echinacea, a pretty little flower with a powerful punch. It's often used to fight infections, especially the common cold and other upper respiratory infections. Say hello to Kelly, a renowned nutritionist. She recommends garlic to her clients. Garlic is known for combating sickness, including the common cold. It can also reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Following Kelly, we've got Jake, the master yogi. He loves ashwagandha, an ancient medicinal herb. Ashwagandha is known to reduce anxiety and stress, help fight depression, boost fertility and testosterone in men, and even boost brain function. Let's introduce you to Laura, a holistic health coach. She swears by holy basil. This herb is known for its adaptogenic properties, helping the body to adapt to stress and promoting mental balance. Next, meet Sarah, a health-conscious mom. She uses aloe vera for its healing properties. Aloe vera can reduce dental plaque, help treat canker sores, and lower blood sugar levels in diabetics. Now, we have Cindy, the celebrity chef. She relies on sage to not only flavor her dishes, but for its health benefits as well. Sage can improve brain function and memory, lower bad cholesterol, and even suppress menopausal symptoms. Finally, we have Stan, the wellness blogger. He swears by rosemary, a fragrant herb known for its mood-elevating properties. Rosemary can increase alertness and improve memory, and it's often used to alleviate muscle pain. By using these herbs, these YouTube stars have found natural ways to boost their health. From ginger to rosemary, these herbs pack a serious health punch. So, why not try incorporating some of these into your diet? Supercharge your health naturally, starting today.